Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here this week. Amy is actually out and about. She's at Home Depot. She loves that place. Getting some mulch, you know, it's beautiful today. Can't believe it, so she's out there. And guys, holy cow, I did not realize I was cooking 4 meals today until I got here today, but I cooked 4 meals today. It's pretty crazy. Starting over here, we've got something that I just kind of whipped together. I thought it would be great, and actually didn't come out as spicy as I wanted because I know Amy's not crazy about spicy, but this is a Chipotle sweet bison chili, just kind of over some rice. Chili-ish kind of, but I put it over rice. I added some chickpeas in there, get a little bit more protein. I got some steamed broccoli, and then we got a grilled pineapple. I wasn't able to grill it, but I did put the pan on high, seared it as much as I could. Love grilled pineapple instead. That would be great. Just garnished there with a little bit of green onion. Over here, we have got a lemon chicken and zucchini bowl right here. My dogs are going crazy. And this is actually a super simple dish. Cook the chicken up, put it to the side, then cook the zucchini in there, put it all together with the zest of a lemon and the juice of a lemon, and it's got a really nice, slight lemon taste to it, so it's beautiful. It's not overpowering, so I love it. Over here, we've got kind of a buffalo-style ground turkey with rice and cauliflower rice. It's got both brown and cauliflower rice in there. We found a recipe like this. I changed it up a little bit, and since it had rice in it, I went ahead and I hand chopped the cauliflower. I love hand chopping as opposed to putting it in the food processor to make cauliflower rice because it just gets it too mushy. So I hand chopped it. Cooked the veggies up first. It's got simple, just carrots, celery, and onion. Cook those up with a little bit of the spice. Put the ground turkey in there. Put the cauliflower rice in there. And make sure you use a large skillet. I didn't use a large skillet at first, but it's so beautiful. But guys, coup de grace over here. Look at this dish right here, team. Oh my gosh. I've got I tried tofu today. This is a tofu that's over quinoa with a spinach and kale mix. And then I've got some edamame and then just a river of beets in there. The beets are just amazing. Just baked in the oven with a little bit of olive oil and salt. That's all you have to do for about 30 minutes. The tofu, holy cow, it takes a while to cook. I did not realize this. But not only do you let it kind of simmer or just kind of sit with some tamari and rice vinegar for 10 minutes, then you coat it and you bake it for 20 minutes. And then obviously you've got to sear it and to make it a little bit of crunchy. It's crunchy, spicy tofu. And I put chili paste with a little bit of tamari and some avocado oil and a little bit of maple syrup, and we just sear it in the pan. It gets a nice crispy coating on there. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be good. I can't wait to eat it. And then obviously I put it over the bed of quinoa with the edamame. Guys, I hope you love that one. Here is everything for today. Super colorful. I may not like the tofu, but it turned out pretty nice. So we got this here today, guys. I hope you love all these meals. Again, 4 meals for you this week, which is pretty amazing. I can't believe I cranked this out. You guys have an amazing weekend, and let me know what you like. Take care.